Staring at a blank screen, right? It's literal torture. Let's fix that in this quick explainer.
You write what feels like a masterpiece, then hit record, and you're just rambling. So frustrating.
Winging it? Boom, 40% of your viewers drop off instantly. We can't have that.
Ditch the 3 agonizing hours. We're talking a fully custom script in under 5 minutes flat.
The secret isn't just better ideas. It's this core retention framework. It glues eyeballs to the screen.
It builds out your hook, audience connection, the main acts, a slick CTA, and an unforgettable outro. Regular AI sounds so robotic, right? This engine uses 5 calibration questions to nail your exact voice.
By answering these 5 questions about tone and length, the AI literally becomes your personal ghostwriter. It scales perfectly. 2 minutes? That's about 300 words paced out with built-in retention-boosting transitions. Creator Sophie used it, and her editor didn't even notice it was AI. It's just that natural.
Daniel used this framework, and his average view duration skyrocketed to a massive 61%. Insane, right? Marcus slashed his prep time, doubled his uploads, and grew his channel by 40%. A real game changer. You get the master prompt, word-for-word script, titles, and chapters. We do all the heavy lifting for you. The best part? It's just $27 for instant access. One-time fee, absolutely no monthly subscriptions.
It works flawlessly on free ChatGPT. Plus, it's completely risk-free. Doesn't save you time? You don't pay.
Stop wasting hours. Your next script is 5 minutes away. Click the link below to grab it now.